In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Gamma achievements to LinkedIn in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to showcase your progress, strengthen your profile, and make your professional experience stand out a little more. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the profile icon. This is where Gamma keeps your account and personal settings, so this is the first place you want to go. After that, a menu or panel will open up. From there, select Account Settings and click on it. This section is where Gamma stores the achievements or accomplishments you've earned through the platform. Once you're in the Achievements area, you should see an option that says Add to LinkedIn. Click that option to begin the connection process. Gamma will then ask you to log into your LinkedIn account. Go ahead and sign in with the LinkedIn profile where you want the achievement displayed. After you complete the login, Gamma should automatically send the achievement over and add it to your LinkedIn profile. You usually do not need to manually copy anything or paste it anywhere, which makes the process really fast and convenient. Once it's finished, go ahead and open LinkedIn to double-check that the achievement has been added successfully. This can help you keep your profile updated and show recruiters, clients, or connections the work you've completed. And that's it. You've now added your Gamma achievement to LinkedIn. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss the next quick how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.